Botastic, and Brady, and we are
The Kid Squad.
Hey, so, wait, where'd Bo go? Bo!
Botastic.
Ah, there you are.
You always have to do like you have to like clap and like a different pattern then he will come.
No, you gotta whistle like this. Hey guys, let's go in the backyard.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Come on, Boasters. Let's show them the backyard.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in the backyard.
They'll walk us in like this.
Okay.
It used to be all mud, but now it changed.
Seriously, a few months ago, it was just Bo peeing.
Yeah.
Botastic pee.
Botastic pee. Outrageous pee.
We got this.
Whoa! Alright. Hey, Val. You happy, doggy?
Where's the ball, Booduke?
Yeah. Bo, you didn't get the ball?
Botastic.
There's the ball. Bo, go get the ball.
Yeah, bring it here, Bo. Bring it here. Good boy. Bo,
Yeah.
Bo, drop. Good boy. Okay. And bow. Go get
Oof.
We usually
Uh,
like
Bo,
this and
the ball went over there.
he sees it. Oh yeah.
Nice, doggy.
Or is he peeing?
No, he's not peeing. I don't think. No, he's not peeing.
Yeah, he was just searching for the ball.
I only see the ball.
Bo, come here. Bye, Duke. There you are, Bo.
Boasters, where'd you go?
Oh, there he is.
Wait, Bo, where's the ball?
Oh, Bo forgot the ball again.
And it's right there.
Up. Bo gonna get it. Keep it.
Drop it.
Oh,
He sees it. He's gonna go get it.
there he is.
Right there. You can't find it.
Bo!
Search.
Come on, Bo.
Wait, has he found it?
I don't know.
Has he?
Anna. Anna! Ow! Hey, guys, watch this, watch this. Cooper's gonna teleport. Ready? 3. Where'd he go? How did you get over there? He disappeared again. How did you get over there? Huh? What the?
I'm over here.
Ah! Oh, you scared me, man. Okay.
Well, that's the end of our video for today.
Bo, Duke! There he is.
Boasters.
Well, okay, guys.